Everybody, I am back. I am doing a video. This is my personal filming planner. So this is the one that I use to write ideas down, you know, the budgeting stuff, the beauty stuff, all of that. I decided to use this planner. And I've done a video on this already. So now I'm going to show you how I use it. And I got blank pages right here if I need it for ideas. Okay, as I was saying, this is the back part is where I make notes and stuff when I need to video. So what I'm going to talk to you about today is how I plan the videos. So this might help somebody. I know it took me forever to figure it out. I was writing it all down on a piece of paper, and then I found this lady that makes these, and I wrote it down in my other planner. I'll be right back. I have two of these planners. This one is from my other channel, which is Tiny Toes Reborn Nursery, and this one, okay, the lady that I got this from is Lights Planner Action, and it's her template that she uses, and that I'm like, oh, I need something that I just started to make it myself, and then I found her video one night, and I'm like, ah, somebody's already done it. So I needed to, you know, to be able to write the videos down. The only thing it doesn't have is, and I'll put it in here, I'll put one in here, a couple in here, is the lines need to go all the way across, right here, for me. So, let's see, on the side panel here, down the side, is what I have to do to each one. So my process is, and you can see me write this, is film, edit, because I use my iPad and I don't have a Mac computer. I have a Windows computer. So I have to do my editing in iMovie first and save it. And then I can upload it to my computer. And then from my computer, I upload it to YouTube, where I finish editing and scheduling and all that. So this is my process. So I film and edit, because I'll edit in iMovie. I'll write that in here. iMovie. And then I upload to the computer, and then upload to YouTube. And once it's on YouTube, I edit again, and that's putting in like the descriptions and the thumbnail and links and my tags and all of that. And then, so in editing, you got the thumbnail. When you go to YouTube, you get the thumbnail. And I have links. And links, I mean, like, in the description, you might want to put a link to somebody else. So like I'm having a giveaway, you want to put that link in your description and all that. It's kind of all in one place. And then you're going to schedule. And then I skip up space, and then sharing. So I have Instagram and I have Facebook. So I have film, edit, upload to the computer, then I upload it to YouTube. And then once it's in YouTube, I finish editing, which is adding the title, the description, the thumbnail, the links, and schedule. Your end screen and all of that stuff is done up on YouTube. When I get it to I do it in the studio. And then after that's all done, I got to get better with this. I've been doing okay, but I share it to Facebook and Instagram, because both my channels have an Instagram and a Facebook page. My other channel has a Facebook page, but also a Facebook group. So I will, because then I'll write down the video name right here. Say I'm going to do, like this video, I'd put filming planner, my personal filming planner right here. And then I would figure out what day I want it to upload on, and I would go over here. I would go over here and put the day, so the name of it, and then I filmed it, so I put a check mark. If I've edited it on iMovie, I put a check mark. And then if I put it up on the computer, I'll check mark it. And then once it's over to YouTube, I save it privately, and then I can go back in and do a search for all the private videos, and then I can pick what one I want to edit and finish up and put that in. But I wanted you to see how I figure this out, and then I have different groups here, these pages. This one is, I think, beauty. The second one is planner or home stuff. And then I have my December daily stuff, planner stuff, projects. And then the last one, number 5, is my budget stuff. And then 6 is just notes and so forth. So once I get ideas, like at night I'll watch a video and it's like, oh, that's a good idea. Like I saw one the other night for the other channel, and it's to do with the reborns, but it's a how-to. So it will be informational. And I can do that on this channel too. Like this one is kind of a how-to to track my videos, how I track my videos, how I schedule. I guess it's how I schedule them. So I've already got some planned over here. And these, I'll put a sticky in here for ones that I need to do. Like this one right here is film planner, how I use my sheets right here. So I'm doing this one now, and that will go up after this coming week. That'll go up. Actually, it's going to be Friday. It'll go up on Friday the 26th. So when you're seeing this, I'm filming this in the future. So, and I'll put that in here for then. And then my next one I will do, you know, and put in or whatever. So, but that's how I use these sheets. And I use these sheets, I bought it, excuse me, from that lady. What did I say her name was? Lights Planner Action. And so I can keep printing these off as many times as I need. I just have to cut them down to fit each planner. And I do it in pencil because usually the dates I have to move around. I'll list the videos, I'll film ahead, and they'll all be here. And then I can figure out when I want them to go up. So that is how I use my filming planner. So I hope that was helpful for you. If you have questions, definitely comment down below and let me know. And running 2 channels is way fun. Like I'm already a week ahead in the other one, so I'm trying to catch up on this channel, get a week ahead on this one. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I did have these all in one planner, but it got too big because I was doing more on this channel. So I needed to separate it, and I knew that was going to happen. So otherwise I would have to have this huge notebook. This one would probably work because it's got bigger rings in it, but I want to keep them separate. So I hope the information is helpful for you guys, that film or whatever. If you have a different way of doing it, definitely make a video on that. I'd love to watch it. Let me know that you have a, let me know. And I can, maybe it'll be better than what I'm doing. But this is the best thing so far for me. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I will talk to y'all again soon. Bye now.